How to make a monkey fist Begleri. Now this Grecian fidget spinner is loads of fun and only takes a short bit of time to make. So what we need is 2 marbles and about 5 feet of string. I'll show you the second one, but for both of them that you make, start about 3 inches off center of the rope. So put the marble between your 2 fingers, wrap the string around 3 times, and then you're going to go between your fingers here and come through. You're going to repeat that so you'll have 3 rows of string at each point. Now you're going to want to slide this off of your fingers. And now you're going to do 3 rounds through these holes here. And it's okay if you have a little extra string. I cut it a little close here, so you can always cut this at a later time. So once you get that through, I typically start by tightening these outside loops. And what you do to seal this is you take the end, melt that in, and while that is still hot, you pull it under those 3 loops, and then you can tighten that up. So when you tighten, this may take a few different rounds of tightening. You just continue pulling through all the loops that you have. So it takes a while, but after a while you get fairly proficient at it. Most people like between 6 and 7 inches between the 2 balls, but you can adjust that how you like it. But enjoy.